Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I will be doing another makeup tutorial, and I hope you all like the setup. I tried to arrange some things a little different for the video because I kind of just got tired of the same type of background, so I needed to, you know, have a different type of vibe and aura going on, you know what I mean? So here I am, girl. We're back with another video, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. This tutorial could be for Valentine's Day, and it could be just for, you know, just a regular occasion. But since Valentine's Day is coming up, I know a lot of people are probably looking for ideas, you know, how they want to do their face. I took out this wig, y'all. This wig I got this wig like last year, and I reviewed it like a year ago. It has to be like a year ago, and I'll try to find the video and I'll link the wig review down below. I usually wear curly, but I'm like, let me try to, you know, straighten it and see what's popping, you know what I'm saying? So I am going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow. I missed this. I haven't used this in a little minute, so I'm going to use this for this tutorial, and I have this in chocolate. Using this Juvia Place palette to take one shade out of here, which is this shade right here. This is like a pink mauve type of color, and I'm using that as my transition. I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to do a half cut crease, just a little bit. I'm going to take blank canvas from this palette right here, the Lime Crime Venus XL. Y'all, this is my favorite palette. I love this palette. And I'm taking that right in the front first. Blank canvas it's showing up as I thought it would, like mostly like almost like a white. It's showing up brown. So we're gonna take the Juvia Place Warrior palette, and we're gonna take this shade from here, this shade right here. We're going to put that right on top of that. If you guys real life don't see the color like that, it's because it is a very flesh tone. So it's going to come together once I apply the next shades. So do not worry about it. So now the next shade I'm taking is Passion. Passion is right here. This is like a fuchsia type of pinkish purple. So I'm taking that here. Okay, so you all, I am just going back and forth with the colors, making sure things are blended. Those two colors I took on the end above my crease. I kind of took it up a little bit up there, and then I blended it out. So I took it a little bit above just to give it some dimension and definition to it, you know what I'm saying. I did want to say real quick, my eyeshadow started to look a little patchy, those last two colors that I applied. I hate the brush that I used. It's only on this side right here where I'm applying the liner. The other side is pretty blended well, so I just want to let you guys know that. I hate it. This is a step that you can do. I always just put concealer down and then go ahead to like clean it up, you know, because sometimes do not get your liner perfect. So this is just something just in case you fall into a mistake or it's not too clean like you want it. This is just something that you could do. Applied the Juvia Place concealer, and this is in the shade 14. I have been doing this recently, and I just like how the coverage looks. So I just applied the concealer first before the foundation, and I just placed it under my eye, and now I'm going to blend it. And then for foundation, I am taking my E.L.F Flawless Finish foundation, and this is in Cinnamon. I love this foundation so much. Like, I would recommend y'all to pick up this, because it's very inexpensive, it's very affordable. You can get this at your local Target, so grab you some, sis. As you guys can see, I did apply some more of the concealer now that I have laid down my foundation. You do not have to do this much concealer. I do use a lot of concealer. I'm just warning, if this is your first time watching and you're not familiar with how I do my face, I do this. So But I mean, if you watch my tutorials on a daily, you guys know how much concealer I use. You do not have to use this much. And now I'm applying the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. This is in the shade Pecan, and this is just gonna give me a nice brighter under eye or whatever. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and then we can start to set my concealer. Alright, so for my contour, you all, I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is 39A Dare to Create palette, and I love this palette a lot. This is one of my favorite palettes, but I haven't used the contours that I usually use in here. This is an eyeshadow palette, but I always used to use E.L.F and Sunder, these two right here, for my contour. So I'm going to go take it back and use this as a contour. I'm using my Laura Geller Spackle Mist. This is for prime, setting, and refreshing your face. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this, and then after I'm going to apply my highlight and blush, and then lips. I'm going to use for blush my NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow. I like this blush because it's like a highlighter and a blush in one, so it gives you a nice shine. So I'm going to use this one, and this is in Citron Rose. And for highlights, I'm using my favorites, which is my Maybelline Master Chrome. This one here is my favorite. I'm going to use this one for my highlight. For my lips, I am using a Beauty Supply brand lip liner, and this is just in a regular brown, dark brown actually. And I'm just going to line my lips with this first. On top of this, I'm going to apply the matte lip liner by NYX, and this one is in Vintage. So I do have a lip gloss. It's called LA Splash Cosmetics, and I don't even know what color this is. If I end up finding it, it will be down below. On top of this, I'm going to take the this is by Wet n Wild. This is liquid catsuit high shine lipstick. It's like a really thick type of gloss, and this is in Caught You Bare Naked is the shade. This basically wraps it up for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. I really love how this came out. If you love everything about this look, let me know down below, of course. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if this is your first time watching. I definitely feel like this look can go for Valentine's Day, a date night, or anything like that, a birthday makeup look, anything of your liking, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's giving you a vibe. I'll have everything that I listed down below. And also, thank you all for 80K subscribers. I really love you all so much. On the road to 100K. So don't forget to subscribe, like I said, if this is your first time watching. And if you're just watching the videos and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can become one of my baby dolls, of course. If you're not my baby doll yet until you subscribe. So I love you all so much. Thank you again for 80K of you guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.